Being a mom, being a fitness enthusiast, biker, as I said, I love adventure, and I'm not one of those. I'm not pointing out. I've never got that girly platform when I was growing up. So my motivation is my son. Rayu, I love you. They say there is a will, there is a way. Be there in that situation and how to deal with it. So yes, it gave me a lot of strength physically as well as emotionally, mentally. It played a very important role. That's Mamta, and 39-year-old, a fitness enthusiast, mother to an 11-year-old boy, a biker, new biker. Grown up in defense culture with 2 brothers. So yes, I've done everything whatever my brothers have done. So yes, very adventurous. I just can't sit at one place. I need some sort of movement in my life, and I enjoy doing it. As soon as the weekend comes, my mind starts, okay, what all I have to do. So I normally don't wait for a company to join me. I am okay to do my solo journey. So I don't depend on others to start my things, whether it comes to gym, workouts, or my bike rides. So yes, I guess that comes from the defense culture, not to depend on anybody. And wherever we go places, the change of schools, new friends, never had those constant friends also. So Dad kept traveling, so along with him, we kept traveling. So yes, never had that constant thing in life. So yes, that's how it has been, and I enjoy every bit of it. I feel life is very short. Enjoy whatever you could do. You never know. I still remember the first time I wanted to purchase my bike, and I was little not sure, and I asked my dad, I feel like riding bike, and what do you think? And his answer was simple. Do you really want to do it? Then why are you thinking so much about it? Go ahead. And that gave a different boost to next level. And yes, the very next minute I had my bike. So yeah, sometimes it makes a huge difference when you have supportive parents. It plays a very important role. Yeah, that's me. Yes, growing up in defense culture, 2 elder brothers who are very studious, toppers of their college and school, and you have one person who's the youngest in the family, not so good in studies, has to match up somewhere, and that constant pressure of performing good and be like them was always there. And Dad was like, just somehow clear your 10th or 12th. You know, we don't expect anything from you, but I was good at sports. So yes, I did my NCC 3 years. I'm a CSET holder, and I played at the school level and at the college level. So yeah, that kind of push was always there from my father and mother. So that helped me, in fact, to build up the overall confidence. So my journey started last year. Till the time I was lifting, I was doing deadlifts, and I realized my numbers are pretty high, and till the time I represented and participated in few local competition, I realized I could pick up the numbers high and take the numbers up. So I thought, why not powerlifting? Because age was one of the thing, and I thought, okay, let me pursue this and get into powerlifting. So I met Coach Vishwa, and he's helping me out, and I've been training for powerlifting from last 6-7 months now. So initially when I started, I was lifting 125 kgs, but now it has gone up to 140 kgs. So the journey has been very up and down, because I'm not a regular athlete to say so. So yes, after a tiring day at work, I'm into field jobs. So I represent and work in hospitality sector. So it gets a little tiring, but I ensure I work out at least 5 to 6 days in a week and cover the entire body in that. So Yes, want to grow in powerlifting, so that is what I'm looking at, and let's see if I could, if all in one piece, I will participate next year. So that is what I'm aiming for. I definitely want to take my numbers up, so I want to be confident about it. So yeah. Okay, talks about the favorite workout. It has to be the leg day. Just enjoy every bit of it. A lot of people say I have big quads. Yes, I work out a lot for those quads. So yes, I enjoy doing leg workout. Never been a day where I have said, no, I'm done with it. I can't do this. So yeah, I enjoy my leg day. The other workout which I used to enjoy was boxing and CrossFit. So whenever I get time during the whole week, I try to do at least functional training weekly once. I love doing CrossFit and functional. So yeah, it's just a switch when you get too bored with powerlifting, because at times the body is like so much adjusted to powerlifting, you want a switch. So yes, then that's when my go-to place would be functional training. I enjoy doing functional. So yes. How the fitness life has affected my own life, I would say the Everest Base Camp. Just giving you an example, it was just decided in 2 days, and I was super excited to do it last year. And I've seen a lot of people preparing for these kind of treks, and the trail won't be so easy. So definitely fitness helped me while climbing those trails, whether it is going up, down, going to the mountain, walking. So in a stretch of 14 days, we covered 130 kilometers, so which was not easy. And I decided to carry my own rucksack. I was not okay to give my rucksack to my porter cum guide. So yeah, I was carrying my own bag and walked every day continuously for 14 days. And I would say it was one of the most amazing journeys. Somebody who wants to challenge themselves, you should trek to EBC, Everest Base Camp, and you get to learn a lot how to, be there in that situation and how to deal with it. So as I mentioned, this was my solo journey, and I had a wonderful time over here. Met a lot of local people, interacted with them, more of adventure, fun, handling the situation. About the food, I'm not so, particular about food thing. Almost all the 13 days, I managed to eat dal rice and the local sabji. So yeah, met lovely people over there, lovely connect. So adventure, yes, plays an important role. When your fitness is good, you can reach out to a different level. You don't have to actually plan a lot of things. You're spontaneous in making plans and be a part of those plans. So whether it is trek, whether it is bike ride, any kind of adventure activity, exercises, it is all correlated. You need, if your life is active, you can do everything. So yes, an active life is important to do all these things.